So what we are going to do next is we are going to add a controller. I'm going to right click on controller, add new scaffolded item, and I want to pick, let me expand MVC here and pick controller. And they would like us to pick an empty one. So we're going to choose empty and add. Okay, home controller is exactly what we want to call it. It should still have MVC controller empty selected, so let's go ahead and click on add. Okay, and it's showing us our default code, which we are now going to customize. Okay, so we've got one action method called index. And above return view, we are going to create a view bag. And a view bag is just used to transport data from the controller to the view. And so we're going to have a property called name, and you guys can put in your own name here. And then we're going to create one called future value. And you can put in any amount that you want. And this is a number, so we do not want quotes around it. Okay, so throw in any number that you want. And you can go ahead and save your changes. If you want to run a build, you can. Okay, and at this point, you definitely should not have any errors. We have not done very much.